me, don't blink or stare. Moonwalk got head tap and he had to shave his hair. The Drizzy put him in the air. Go against the shit, bitch, I triple down.
They found out about them bees, might just catch the chair. Head taps, we was aiming at his hair.
I clap some niggas with no mask, bitch, I don't care. I chase the nigga in those shoes, boy, come out. They wanna talk, don't wanna hear. I spin on shit like I'm a Ferris wheel. Still drive the V without no wheels. This shit like Call of Duty, I'm really up 10 kills.